Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.1 of chapter 3 understanding quadrilateral. But before starting question number 1, I would suggest, if you have not gone through the introductory lecture, please go through it so that you can understand exercise 3.1 properly. Question number 1 says, given here are some figures. Some figures are given to you, and then they have given the question. Classify each of the following on the basis of the following: simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon, and concave polygon. From this figure, which are simple curve, which are simple closed curve, which are polygon, which are convex polygon, and which are concave polygon, that you have to find out. So let us start. And if you know the definition of simple curve, I have told you in introductory lecture, when in any curve the end points does not cross over each other or cuts each other is called simple curve. Let us see for simple curve first. Let me start from here. I am starting from here and ending here. So it is not crossing over each other. So my first answer will be simple curve is 1. Now let us see second. If I am starting from here, ending here, I am not crossing over. So this is my simple curve. For this, if I am starting from here, let me start from here. Now I am lifting the pen. To make this curve, I must lift the pen. And if I am lifting the pen, this is not a curve. So this figure is not a curve. So we will not write anywhere. For this figure, if I am starting from here, for suppose, let me take here. I am going here. Now when I come here, I am passing through this point 2 times and then 3 times. So I am crossing over. I am cutting this figure. So this is not our simple curve. So this is not the simple curve. Let us move to fifth figure. If I am starting from here, going like this, my end points are meeting, but it is not crossing over. So I can write it is a simple curve. Same way for this figure, starting from here, ending in one point only. So it is not crossing over. So it is our simple figure, simple curve. Now seventh figure, starting from here. If I am starting from here, I am ending here. I am not crossing over or I am not cutting it. So figure number 7 is also simple curve. Now this figure, if I am starting from here, again I came here and then I have to go back here and then again take a turn. So at one point, at 2 points, I am crossing over each other. So this will not be our simple curve. Now for simple closed curve, let us take each of them. Here, as we have ended, starting point and ending point are meeting at one point. So this is our simple closed curve. Same way, this is also our closed curve because starting point and ending point are meeting. So 1, 2, this is not a curve. Starting point and ending points are meeting, but it is crossing each other, cutting each other. So this will not be our simple closed curve. Here also, starting point and ending point, as we have seen first, is meeting at one single point. So this is our simple closed curve. So 1, 2, 5. Let us see this. Starting and ending are meeting at single point. So this is also our simple closed curve. Same way, starting and ending are meeting at same point. So this is our simple closed curve. Here, not simple closed curve because meeting 2 times after crossing like this, and it is also crossing over. So the same way, simple curve, which is simple curve, is also our simple closed curves. Now polygon. polygons are simple closed curves. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are simple closed curves, but the second condition is made up of only line segments. So let us see 1, 2. 1, 2 are made up of line segments. 5 is not made up of line segments. 6, it is made up of line segments and curve. So it is not a polygon. Here line segments and a circle, semicircle. So this is also not a polygon. So our polygon is 1 and 2. Now convex polygon and concave polygon. Since it is having two polygons, okay, one thing again I have forgotten. This is made up of line segments only, but it is crossing over each other. So our condition is not satisfied, and because of this it is not a polygon. A polygon definition I have shown you. Let me show you again. Definition of polygon says simple closed curve and made up of only line segments. And simple closed curve definition is it must not cross over each other. They must meet at single point only. They are crossing over each other, so we can't say this is a polygon. Now convex, you can see one of the diagonal is outside and here it is 180 degree, more than 180 degree. Here all the diagonals are inside and all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. So we will say convex is our figure 2 and figure 1 is our concave polygon. This is all in this question. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more. Also go through the introductory lecture very well so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.